Are you ready to explore stock trading and investing but unsure where to start? Today, we'll simplify the stock market for you, providing all the knowledge you need to begin your journey with confidence. Firstly, what exactly is a stock market? It's a place where shares of publicly traded companies are bought and sold. Think of it as a marketplace for investments, where each transaction is facilitated by professionals known as brokers. To start trading, you'll need to register with a broker, typically online in today's digital age. They are your gateway to buying and selling stocks on various exchanges around the world. Understanding the market types is crucial. In the primary market, companies issue new shares to the public through initial public offerings, or IPOs. Once these shares are issued, they move to the secondary market, where they can be traded freely among investors. But how are stock prices determined? It's all about supply and demand. If more people want to buy a stock than sell it, the price goes up. Conversely, if more are selling, the price drops. Several factors can influence these price changes, from macroeconomic conditions and company earnings reports to industry events and technical patterns. For those interested in trading, understanding technical analysis can be invaluable. It involves studying price patterns to predict future movements. Meanwhile, fundamental analysis, preferred by long-term investors, focuses on a company's financial health and market position. Speaking of long-term, investing in stocks also means you could receive dividends, which are a share of a company's profits, depending on how well the company is doing financially. Worldwide, there are numerous stock exchanges, like the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ, each hosting thousands of company stocks. These platforms ensure that anyone can participate in economic growth globally through investing. Getting started is simpler than you might think. Choose an online broker, set up an account, and you're ready to trade. You can start small, even trading on leverage with products like CFDs, though remember, this comes with higher risk. To recap, the stock market offers a platform for buying and selling shares through brokers. Prices are driven by supply and demand, influenced by various economic factors. Whether you're trading short-term or investing for the future, understanding these basics will help you navigate the market effectively. Thank you for watching. Remember, knowledge is the first step towards successful investing. Happy trading.